Hey travelers! Today we dive into the world of discrete navigation. I'll walk you through the steps to turn on No Archive mode in Google Maps on your Android device. Whether you're planning a surprise or simply prefer to keep your travels private, this feature has you covered. Let's get started. Start by opening the Google Maps app on your Android device. If you don't have it, be sure to download it from the App Store. In the top right corner, you will see your profile picture. Tap it to open the main menu. Look for Turn on No Archive mode in the menu and tap on it. Confirm your selection when prompted. After your confirmation, Incognito mode will be activated automatically. And there you have it! You have successfully turned on No Archive mode in Google Maps on your Android device. Now you can move privately without leaving a trace. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more travel and tech tips. Thanks for watching and happy browsing without archiving.